Hey guys, welcome to Your House Fitness YouTube channel. Today, we're just gonna talk about the box squat. The box squat is an interesting exercise. It has a lot of purposes. It's really good for beginners. Most people don't feel comfortable squatting. They feel like when they squat down, oh, I'm gonna fall back. The beautiful thing about box squat is it's a little safety net. It's a good way to build confidence in that position. For advanced people, there are other reasons, but just to be simple with it, we're gonna use it as a way to gauge depth and gauge your actual mechanics. So a squat is essentially you're sitting down, whether it be it's on a toilet, a chair, whatever it may be. A box squat simulates that. A lot of people end up changing their mechanics when they do a box squat. I think just simply squatting like you normally would on a box is more than enough. So I like to treat it like a regular squat. I'm gonna go to a good foot position, slightly flared, could be forward. I'm gonna be on my tripod. I'm gonna have my big toe, my pinky toe, and my heels. My hands are gonna be out. I'm gonna push on my hands, get my lats engaged, take a deep belly breath in and brace my core. From here, I'm just gonna sit, okay? That's all it is. I'm gonna maintain this neutral spine. I'm gonna sit, make sure my knees are out, okay? I don't wanna cave it in. I wanna have it up the whole time. I want good weight on my foot also. I don't want my toes flying up. I don't wanna sit down and go off my heels. And I'm just gonna sit. Very, very simple, okay? And use the box to gauge your depth. I would not fully relax though. If I go all the way down and just relax, I lose my core activation. I put myself at risk of injury. I'm gonna keep this braced and I'm just gonna touch the box or put a little bit of weight on it, like so, all right? Just like this. If you're a person with knee pain, this also could be nice because you don't have to have very, very forward shin positions. If your knees go over your toes, it's fine, but it might be irritating for some people. With a box squat, because you have a little more balance and that safety net we're talking about, you can have a very vertical shin position and you can adjust the height of the box towards what feels comfortable if you have knee pain. If you're in a situation where knee pain occurs at a certain degree or angle, you can just raise the box. Build that strength up, and as you get better, lower the box and work through a deeper range of motion, like so.